Hello everyone, and welcome back here to Crossroads Woodworks on this Monday afternoon, Labor Day. I've got a little 20 by 44 black walnut coffee table here that I poured black in the bottom of it, and I'm about to mix the clear up to top it off. And I thought I'd bring y'all along with me while we do it, so you can see it pour off in there. And two, just right over my shoulder right there is a pile of cherry logs that were donated to me. I've got to get them slabbed up on my homemade bandsaw mill I built, and I also get them slabbed, and we'll get them put in the dehumidification kiln I built so we can get them to dried, and then we'll be sure and check them. If you don't own a Delmahurst moisture meter, you need to get you one. They're the best. I have to say they are the best. But right now I've done got the A and B liquid glass poured up in a bucket here, and we're going to mix it up. I thought I'd bring you along for that. And then we're going to go over here and we're going to pour it off into the form where the black walnut is. So right now I'm fixing to flip the camera around so you can see. I'm doing this videoing off my iPhone. For right now, I'm going to get some cameras where it'll make it a lot easier. But here we go. We're gonna try and get this thing poured up. Definitely be sure, guys, and wear eye protection when you do this. Got to have eye protection. I mixed up about a little over 3 liters of liquid glass thick pour to go in here. It's going to be about 1.5 inches to 1 3/4 thick as it goes in. And guys, while that sits there for just a minute, I always like to let it sit. Then I'll wipe the sides and do a little more mixing on it. In the meantime, let's go right over here and look at the coffee table that this is going in. Right here is the legs that's going on it. Really nice metal legs. I think I got those off Amazon. Very nice legs. And right here is the coffee table. It's going to make a very beautiful coffee table. I've already wiped it down in the center, roughed it up a little bit. It's going to be really nice, really nice. And also, while I got you over here, let me flip you around here and let you see this maple coffee table. I decided to use it for wall art. Very beautiful, all the bow ties in it. Very beautiful figure. It's really, really nice. And also we've got some keepsake boxes. And there's a display for a cutting board I'm working on. That's just a rough one. Don't have it down pat on how I want it done. Right here is a cutting board. Right here is another beautiful black walnut and maple cutting board. But this is just a little bit of some of the work we do here at Crossroads. And up top right here is some of the black walnut slabs I've got slabbed up. They've already dried. I've got them inside my shop in here. Make some beautiful furniture. Back over here to the coffee table. I'm telling you, this will be beautiful. This will be beautiful. Like I say, I still work a day job. I love doing woodwork. Let's mix on this a little bit more. I know one thing, it's been hot here in Alabama. I don't know where you're at, but it's hot in Alabama. Like I said, I mixed up a little over 3 liters of liquid glass thick pour to go in the center of this river coffee table. All right, got that mixed up. I'm gonna wipe the edges down, and then we're gonna be ready to pour it off into the mold over here. So y'all stay with me. Let's get those sides wiped down. All right, guys, we're about to go over here and get it poured in. Thought I'd let y'all come along with me and watch it. It's gonna make a beautiful coffee table. I'm gonna set y'all up here so I can grab the bucket. Hopefully I've got you straight. If it ain't, we'll get it straightened up. That don't look too bad for old carpenter. Here we go. I'm gonna dust this down one more time before we get it poured in there. All right, here we go, people. Here we go. Let's watch it go in. Here we go. Ooh, yeah. This is going to be a really nice coffee table for someone. One thing I like about this liquid glass is it takes 72 hours to cure. You almost have 0 bubbles in the epoxy. 0 bubbles. And that's what you want when it's clear. Very beautiful. I don't know about you, but that just does it right there. That just tops it off once this is all finished. I use the finish on the wood. I use Osmo extra thin for the finish. And I really like it. Also, you can use some of the other finishes, but that's just the one that I've trusted on my job so far. But just take a look at that, how nice that looks. Beautiful wood grain. It's gonna be nice. It's going to be nice. All right, let me flip you back around to me. And I'll be sure when I take it out of the mold that I'll bring you back and I'll show you my slab flattener I built to do these slabs and stuff, tables, dinette tables. Done a 42-inch by 85-inch dinette table, black walnut down the middle, solid black, and man, it is beautiful. But until we get this set up and it's ready to take out of the form, I sure appreciate each and every one of you watching. I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, and leave a comment. If you leave a comment, I'll do my best to answer each and every comment as best I possibly can. And from that, this is Crossroads Woodworks. Until the next one, I hope you have a blessed day.